Ramadan is approaching, and we need to prepare ourselves physically and mentally for this blessed month. How to use or utilize this month in the maximum level. It's all about making small changes, some small alterations in life to get this benefit. Firstly, set up your goal. What do you want to achieve in this month? Is it that you want to recite Quran with the meaning, or learn tajweed, or learn any part of the hadith, any particular topic, maybe 10 to 15 topics in this holy month? Or is it that you want to learn and teach any basic principles about Islam to your kids, memorize new surahs, or learn Arabic language, or try to instill new habits and avoid some bad habits? What do you want? What exactly are your goals? Just journal them, write it down. When we write our goals, it gets imprinted in the mind and it gets reflected over and over again. It's easier to achieve goals then. Next comes to-do list. What do we want to do? Is it self-training like exercises, healthcare, cleaning, activities with kids, telling stories to them, arranging for iftars, inviting people, whatever you want to do? Try to list it down. Pre-plan these things. Pre-plan some of the dishes so that you can have some batch cooking and make things easier. You can cook and freeze some of the dishes like sauces or fruit pulp or chutneys or some of the snacks so that it can save your time. Time management is very much essential and we need to focus on this more. Thirdly, have a dua list. List of duas for your personal life, for your family life, for your parents, friends, teachers and mentors. Teach your kids regularly how to make duas. What happens when we make duas? Let's train them and keep all this list handy. Try to search for some authentic duas from Quran and Hadith. Select those duas that are resonating with you and your life. This will have great impact. Next comes the zikr list. List of azkar that we need in our daily lives. Try to prepare some DIYs or try to make children write some zikr or azkar and stick it on the walls. Let them make it a habit to recite them whenever they want. Children would love to have these DIYs. At the same time, they get trained to use these azkars in their lives. Train your daughters to wear hijab. This is the right time. Buy some of the branded hijabs or the favorite colors of hijab and make them wear it. This month is easier to convince them as we know that shaitan is tied up. Let us try to instill one habit in them. Remember, calculate zakat. If you have older kids, try to include them. Train them how you calculate your zakah and whom to distribute them to. This will give them practical experience of how to calculate the zakat. Prepare a sadaqa jar and fill it with the pocket money that they have. Try to instill the habit of giving sadaqa. They'll not only know the value of money, the significance of charity, and also the taste of sacrifice. Plan your Eid shopping beforehand. Never waste your time on planning your outfits or the gifts that we want to give or the dishes that we want to plan for Eid. All those groceries or gifts or the outfits that we want to buy for Eid has to be done beforehand. Do not waste the time in the month of Ramadan. This is the blessed month wherein we need to take optimum benefit out of it. May Allah bless all of us. Allahumma ballighna Ramadan. May Allah help us achieve all our goals in this blessed month and attain his maghfirah, inshallah.